The internet, a boundless ocean of information, connection, and innovation, stands at a precipice. The winds of change are blowing, propelled by the burgeoning power of artificial intelligence. We stand on the shore, gazing into a future sculpted not just by human ingenuity, but by a force we are only beginning to understand: the predictive and creative capabilities of AI. This is not a science fiction narrative, it's a rapidly unfolding reality. The predictions are multifaceted, some promising, others unsettling. AI is poised to revolutionize how we interact with the internet, transforming everything from search engines and personalized content to cybersecurity and the very architecture of the web itself. Imagine a search engine that anticipates your needs before you articulate them, a digital assistant that understands not just your words but your unspoken intentions. This is the potential we're facing, a future where AI anticipates and responds to our digital lives with an unnerving accuracy. This advanced personalization carries a shadow. The potential for manipulation is immense. Targeted advertising could evolve into insidious forms of psychological manipulation, exploiting vulnerabilities and shaping opinions with an almost imperceptible hand. The echo chambers we inhabit online could become even more isolated and echo-proof, reinforcing existing biases and hindering constructive dialogue. The future of informed consent in the digital age hangs precariously in the balance. Consider the implications for cybersecurity. AI's ability to analyze vast datasets and identify patterns could revolutionize defense against cyberattacks. However, the same capabilities can be weaponized by malicious actors, creating more sophisticated and elusive threats. The arms race between AI-powered security systems and AI-driven attacks will be a defining feature of the internet's future, a constant game of cat and mouse with potentially catastrophic consequences. The future of the internet's infrastructure itself is also being reshaped by AI. The development of decentralized networks powered by blockchain technology and managed by AI algorithms promises a more resilient and secure internet, one less susceptible to censorship and single points of failure. However, the complexities of such systems present challenges. Questions of governance, accessibility, and the potential for unforeseen vulnerabilities remain open. The transition to a decentralized, AI-managed internet is a monumental undertaking, fraught with potential pitfalls. The impact on creativity and innovation is equally profound. AI-powered tools are already assisting artists, writers, and musicians, pushing the boundaries of creative expression. However, the question of authorship and originality becomes increasingly complex. As AI becomes more sophisticated, the line between human creativity and AI-generated content will blur, raising ethical questions about ownership, copyright, and the very definition of art. The implications for employment are also significant. While AI will undoubtedly create new job opportunities, it will also automate many existing roles, potentially leading to widespread job displacement. The need for reskilling and upskilling will be paramount, requiring a significant investment in education and training to adapt to the changing job market. The societal impact of widespread automation is a concern that demands immediate attention and proactive planning. The ethical considerations surrounding the use of AI on the internet are paramount. Bias in algorithms, the potential for discrimination, and the lack of transparency in AI decision-making processes are serious concerns. The development of ethical guidelines and regulations is crucial to ensure that AI is used responsibly and does not exacerbate existing inequalities. The future of the internet requires a robust ethical framework, one that prioritizes fairness, transparency, and accountability. Furthermore, the issue of data privacy takes on new urgency in an AI-driven internet. The vast amounts of data required to train and operate AI systems raise concerns about the potential for misuse and abuse. Protecting individual privacy while harnessing the power of AI will require innovative solutions and a renewed commitment to data security. The delicate balance between innovation and privacy will be a constant challenge. The evolving relationship between humans and AI on the internet is a complex and dynamic one. As AI systems become more sophisticated, the lines between human and machine intelligence will blur, raising philosophical questions about consciousness, agency, and the very nature of intelligence itself. The future of the internet is not just a technological challenge, but a philosophical one demanding introspection and thoughtful consideration. The potential for misinformation and disinformation to spread rapidly and effectively across the internet is amplified by AI. AI-powered tools can be used to create highly realistic fake videos and audio recordings, making it increasingly difficult to distinguish truth from falsehood. Combating this challenge requires a multifaceted approach, involving technological solutions, media literacy education, and a renewed commitment to journalistic integrity. The future of the internet is not predetermined. It is a future we are actively shaping through our choices, our actions, and our collective commitment to responsible innovation. The power of AI is a double-edged sword capable of both immense good and devastating harm. The path forward requires careful consideration, collaboration, and a willingness to confront the complex ethical and societal challenges that lie ahead. The internet's future hangs in the balance, a delicate ecosystem poised for transformative change. The choices we make today will determine the landscape of tomorrow, and the implications, as we've seen, are far-reaching and profound. The digital investigator in this vast and ever-evolving landscape must remain vigilant, impartial, and ever observant. The future, it seems, is already unfolding.